In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So let's get to it. In case you are connected to Wi-Fi network on your computer, it is very much easy to find the Wi-Fi password. And if you had forgotten the Wi-Fi password, then all you need to do to find it is to go to Start menu and then tap on Settings. Now from Settings, look for the option called Network and Internet. Click on it to open. And then look for the option called Network and Sharing Center. Tap on it to open. So this will open this window under Network and Sharing Center. And from here, you'll be able to see the network you are connected to. And in my case, I'm connected to Access. As you can see, the name is here. The private network name is here. Now to get the properties of this internet connection or Wi-Fi connection, click on the name of the Wi-Fi you are connected to. So this will open this window. Then go ahead and click on Wireless Properties. Under Wireless Properties, choose the security option. And from here, you'll be able to see the network security key, which is here. Now this key is the password of your Wi-Fi network. To get it or to reveal it, just go ahead and tap on Show Character. And then this will reveal your Wi-Fi password. So that's how you find your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.